Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a reputed medical university of India. And in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Allied Health Masters Courses Admission 2024 information will be given. And in this video, I will give you information particularly regarding Christian Medical College Vellore Master of Public Health MPH courses, its eligibility criteria, course fee, entrance exam, cities information, important dates, and entrance exam syllabus. So all these information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam 2024 will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for Christian Medical College Vellore Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, MSc Pulmonology, and other universities like Common University Entrance, UTPG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore 63202 Tamil Nadu. Information, this is information bulletin for Allied Health Master Courses Admission 2024. Address is the Registrar Christian Medical College Vellore 63202 Tamil Nadu, India. And phone numbers are given here. Office working timings, email address and website address. Website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. Applications are invited for Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, Master of Public Health, MPH, Fellowships and MSc programs commencing in August 2024. Courses available, code, course, educational eligibility, entrance exam paper, number of seats, open, minority network, duration, fees approximate, admission year, other year. So name of the course is MPH, that is Master of Public Health. Educational eligibility is MBBS, PDS, BVSC, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of Ayush courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduates in Statistics, Biostatistics, Demography, Population Studies, Nutrition, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Anthropology, Social Work, Management or Law. So candidates who have any one of these degrees can apply. And entrance exam paper is special. Number of seats open 7, minority network 8, duration 2 years, fees approximate, admission year that is first year 90,500 and other year that is second year 40,500. So this is the fees for 2 years. So approximately 1,30,000 total fees. And important dates are admission timetable 2024. Application can be accessed online from 8th of February 2024 and last date for submission of application form with payment 23rd of March 2024. Last date for receipt of relevant supporting document 25th of March 2024. Last date for receipt of completed sponsorship from MNW organization 11th of April 2024 and 14th of May 2024. Step 1 computer based test CBT 25th of May 2024. Announcement of step 1 result 30th of July 2024. Registration and medical checkup at Vellore 31st July 2024. Step 2 practical test and interview 2nd of August 2024. Announcement of final selection result 9th of August 2024, registration for admission. 10th of August 2024 courses begin. So I am giving important information regarding these in this video. The bulletin may be downloaded free of cost from Christian Medical College website. The essential details are provided to enable candidates to fill the application form for academic year 2024-25. Please go through this carefully before filling the form. Application form is available only offline. So application form is available only online. The field in application form has to reach the registrar Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 not later than the date mentioned in section 2. The last date for online application submission with payment of application fee along with supporting document is on the date given in table 2, where relevant photocopy of SC/ST certificate and its attested English translation must be sent. Hard copies may be sent by speed post or courier. The application fee includes a basic administrative fee of rupees 1200 plus a registration fee of rupees 500 per course applied. Candidates applying from SAARC countries should send a demand draft of rupees 2000 or its equivalent, and those from other foreign countries $120 or its equivalent. The application fee can be paid by any one of the methods given below. So these are the methods. Application fee will not be refunded under any circumstances. So student can read all these details. I am giving important information. Admission process. So in step 1 there will be computer based test. There will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section on the date specified at the following cities. So these are the cities for entrance examination: Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, including Tirupati, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, including Dharampuri, Lucknow, Madurai, Meerut, Mumbai, Patna, Puducherry, Ranipet, Salem, Thrissur, Tiruvananthamalai, Tiruvananthapuram, Tirunelveli, Tirupatpur, Vellore, including Ranipet and Kanchipuram, Vijayawada and Villupuram. The general, so this is the entrance exam syllabus. The general paper non-science for group B will consist of multiple choice questions of a general nature, including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability, 90 questions. Special paper, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty of which the candidates has applied. So for Master of Public Health MPH, there is a test paper special. So in this paper 90 questions will come from public health related. All the tests will be conducted in English, and after announcement of step 1 result, list for step 2, the list of candidates invited step 2 will be put on notice board in the college and town hospital campuses CMC Vellore as per the dates in the admission table in section 2. Candidates can also access the list from website. Further, the candidates shortlisted for step 2 will be intimated by letter sent by email. Being called for step 2 does not necessarily mean selection or acceptance of eligibility. Step 2 is special test and interview. Step 2 of the selection process include medical checkup, special test and interview. The registration for step 2 on the of the selection process and medical checkup will be held on date mentioned in the admission timetable section 2. So these are the steps which will be taken for admission. for Master of Public Health and other allied PG courses. And this is the hostel fee for master courses. Approximate hostel fee in rupees. One time mess deposit 8,000. Hostel annual fee 25,370. Minority network organization is given here. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Master of Public Health, MPH admissions 2024 has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration and other competitive exams like CMC Vellore, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER, TISS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.